Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on the video today. So today we're going to be talking about Churchill Capital. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're talking about Churchill Capital, and this stock has been absolutely blowing up, and a lot of people are definitely wondering on why. Is Churchill Capital stock worth the investment right now? Should you guys put money into Churchill Capital? Let's break down the facts. In the last trading session, guys, this thing is up 14%. But if we take a look together at the 1 month chart here, this thing is up over 249%. Absolutely massive. And a lot of people are wondering, what's going on with this blank check company? Why is this stock rallying so much? And the big thing is the potential Lucid Motors merger that Churchill Capital could potentially land. Now, a lot of people are getting a lot more bullish about this because people do think that as far as Friday goes, that Churchill was reportedly in talks to merge with electric vehicle startup Lucid Motors. And as you guys can see here, the chart speaks for itself that people are banking on this to actually happen. Now, let's dive in a little bit on why Churchill Capital could potentially get it. Is Lucid Motors worth the investment? So if you guys don't know what Lucid Motors actually is, Lucid Motors is an EV company based out of California, but this is not a regular EV company. This is a very well-established EV company. It has a lot to bring to the table altogether, and it's basically going to be huge, right? They have one car that's coming out. It's known as the Lucid Air. It's a 517-mile range on a full charge. It offers a 1,080 horsepower car, and it's labeling itself as the Tesla killer. Now, we've seen the instant success that a lot of EV companies have seen in the year of 2020, and so far in 2021 as well. These stocks are blowing up, and why is that altogether? Is because people are getting more bullish on the EV industry. We saw in 2020 when a lot of stocks were not doing well, the EV market was rallying, whether it be NIO or XPeng or Tesla, Hyliion, Workhorse, all these big-time EV companies were seeing large amounts of massive growth and gains, while a lot of other stocks besides tech were not really doing that well. We had the whole finance industry not doing too well, like banks weren't doing too good for a while, and then we had like financial or real estate companies weren't doing well. Travel and hotels were not doing well either, but we had, EV. EV was blowing up, and it gained lots of percentage over the course of 2020, and I don't expect that growth to stop in the year of 2021 as well. So whether Lucid Motors goes public through Churchill or a different company, or whether it comes out public with its IPO, you guys should invest in this company. It's going to be absolutely huge. Saudi Arabia already has $1 billion invested in this company. They're planning on building a factory in Saudi Arabia as well. The Arizona factory they're also building is almost finished. They're already taking pre-orders for their vehicles, and I believe they plan to rolling them out this spring of 2021. So lots of great news for the company. I do think people should invest in Lucid Motors. Now, the reason why there's been a little bit of a delay altogether is because Lucid Motors is still thinking about whether it wants to go public through a merger, like a SPAC merger, or if it actually wants to go public through an IPO. They're two completely different things, but nonetheless, it's going to go public, and I do think people should invest in it. Now, let's go back to Churchill Capital, currently sitting here at $34.93. Is it worth the investment? Is the risk worth it? Well, that's obviously up to you guys. Everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion now, but if we really dive in on how Churchill Capital has been doing over the last month, a lot of people are really optimistic that Churchill Capital is going to land the Lucid Motors merger. A lot of people are saying that, Churchill Capital and Lucid Motors are in talks of actually doing a merger together. So this is what's been causing the gains in Churchill Capital altogether. I'm pretty optimistic that Churchill Capital is going to get the merger. I could just be saying that because I have 100 shares in the company, and obviously I want this stock to explode. I do own a small position. Like I said, it's 100 shares. I bought it at 17 bucks. Now, the biggest thing why people are kind of hesitant on investing in Churchill Capital is because, right now it's just rumors, right? There's no confirmation that a merger is going through, which is holding some people back. I just want people to know that if you're investing in Churchill Capital, it is going to be a risky investment, but one that could pay off big for a lot of people if Churchill Capital actually does land the Lucid Motors merger. If we take a little bit deeper, like I said, do I think Churchill Capital is a good buy at $34.93? Yes, I do think it is a decent buy at this price because, like I said, if it does land the Lucid Motors merger, this stock could easily go to $60, $70, $80, $90. People are even speculating Churchill Capital hitting $100, so it's really safe to say that this stock is going to go to the absolute moon if a Churchill Capital and Lucid Motors merger is actually confirmed. And like I said, right now it's currently sitting at almost $35 right now. It's sitting at $35, and this is just rumors that are running around the room. It's all speculative, and really no one even knows what's going on because a lot of the higher up people in the companies haven't really commented that they're actually in talks of basically a merger at all together, but you know, news always gets out and people are hyping up the stock. A lot of people are throwing lots of money into this. This could pay off big. And Churchill Capital could end up going to $100 if a merger is announced. And like I said, Lucid Motors is going to be a big-time EV giant. Definitely going to put Tesla in its track and definitely going to bring a lot of competitive gain. I'm excited to see what Lucid Motors actually does bring to the table. And I'm excited to see how Lucid Motors does on the market. I know Lucid Motors is just going to do absolutely amazing. And I know that the company is probably going to do very, very well. But Churchill Capital could be the gateway for Lucid Motors to go public, which is why the stock has been basically seeing a lot of success, why a lot of people are putting a lot of money into this. We're supposed to get news here pretty soon about the update of the Churchill Capital Lucid Motors merger. So stay tuned because you know, you guys, I'm always going to update you on the heat. I'm always going to update you on the facts, and I'm always going to bring the real deal to the table. If you guys want to buy Churchill Capital, go for it. It could turn out to be a really great investment. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of Churchill Capital. Do you guys think Churchill Capital is landing this merger? If you guys think Churchill Capital is going to land the merger, give me your stock price prediction. I want to know it down in the comments. Do you guys think Churchill Capital is going to the absolute moon?